Welcome back to Adventure Tech, where I do the research so you don't have to. We're back with RENOGY, and they just dropped a new bifacial 590 watt N-type monocrystalline solar panel. If you're in a hurry and just looking for that discount, feel free to use my code ADVENTURETECH. That'll get you an additional discount on top of the price that's going on right now. Use the links in the comments or description to get over this page, get a good deal, and help support my channel at the same time, which I always appreciate. So let's take a closer look at these panels. This is 25% efficiency on this. Usually the highest I've seen is about 23%. So these new N-type cells are definitely giving you a higher output. 8% bifaciality factor, generating up to 177 watts more power. So you could get over 700 watts per panel with these. Low temperature coefficient for high performance in hot climates. That's going to be great because depending on the temperature of the solar panel, it can change the efficiency. So these are built to be able to withstand high temperatures. 16 bus bar design for better energy conversion and longevity. IP68 waterproof, backed by 10-year warranty and 25-year 80% output warranty. Right now, there's a pretty decent discount going on depending on how many you pick up. They are 767 watt power output. That's crazy. These bifacial panels are amazing. I've been running bifacial panels for about a year now, and they are astounding. They're maxing out my MPPTs. I'm getting a lot more power than I ever expected. You get 25% cell efficiency with these. The highest that I've seen is 23%. So you're getting even better efficiency with these, bringing that output up just a little bit more. You got a 16 bus bar design. This is going to help with keeping the output high in the panels. IP68 waterproof and dustproof. So this is going to help keep this in good condition for a long time for you. And enhanced performance in high temperatures. This is going to be important to a lot of people, maybe live out in the desert and things like that. You're still going to get a high output even if it's really hot. So because these are bifacial solar panels, you can yield up to 130% energy. Capture sunlight from both sides, generating 30% more power than monofacial panels for maximum efficiency. Painted one of my trailer roofs white, stuck a couple of bifacial solar panels on there, and I get crazy output on it. More power, same space. The RENOGY 590 watt bifacial solar panel delivers higher efficiency and up to 7% more output, maximizing energy generation without increasing the panel size. That's great because these are already really big panels, but to be able to increase the output without increasing the size is big news. Flexible mounting solutions. Easily install RENOGY solar panels on flat roofs, ground mounts, poles, or vertical surfaces, ensuring maximum adaptability in any setup. And that's the great thing about these bifacial solar panels. They get great output, really doesn't matter how you're mounting these. Reliable performance in harsh environments. Built for off-grid reliability, this bifacial solar panel excels in high heat, extreme cold, and low light conditions, ensuring uninterrupted energy generation. This is degrees in Celsius, so as the temperature increases, the efficiency of the panel does go down, but as you can see, even at higher temperatures, still maintaining a very high output efficiency. Enhanced protection for safe shipping. RENOGY's shock-absorbing packaging with EPP corner reinforcements, thermal insulation, and foam padding ensures safe and damage-free delivery. I just got a first-hand look at this packaging because I just got two 550 watt bifacial solar panels from RENOGY. They just arrived, and I saw that it actually has a lot better padding than other solar panels that I bought from other companies. So I felt pretty comfortable when they arrived. We'll be unboxing and doing a full run through on those pretty soon on the other channel, Adventure Tech 2.0. So run over there and subscribe if you want to check that out. That channel is more getting hands-on with things, more unboxing and testing and things like that. So it's cool to see these solar panels are still exceeding previous models in wattage and in efficiency because you're getting a higher wattage and same size. So that's really great. 25% efficiency. Great seeing these N-type cells on these huge solar panels. Take advantage of the discount while it lasts. You can use my promo code ADVENTURETECH and get an additional discount on top of that. Use the links in the comments or the description to get over to the page, get a good deal, and help support my channel at the same time, which you know I always appreciate. You can subscribe to my channel for free by clicking the subscribe button. Make sure to click that bell and you can be one of the first people to get over to these new and limited deals.